Sometimes my symptoms were really emotional, sometimes they were really mental. And sometimes those thoughts drove me into wanting to do some things that I probably would have regretted looking back at it until this day. Mental health is not something that we take lightly in the program. We actually take it very, very seriously. It's okay to break down sometimes. It's okay to have really, really hard days. Hey folks, how's it going? Coach Junior here from the CFS recovery team, and today is going to be a little bit of a different video. Normally in our YouTube videos, we talk about practical tips, some tricks, and providing you guys a little bit more information about the nervous system and the brain in order to help you along in your recovery journey. In this video, I kind of want to shift the focus a little bit because whilst education and practical tips are good, it's also really good to balance that with a little bit of reassurance as well. So in this video, we're going to move away a bit from the tips and tricks and a little bit more into a personal message from me. So just heart to heart here, there's no script on this video, but I just wanted to speak to you just from the top of my mind. When I was recovering, in that 2.5 years that I was going through it at my worst, within my journey, at some point inside of my journey, I experienced the worst day of my life. And as a coach, I know I uphold the responsibility when talking to anybody who has this condition, whether that's within the program, somebody that I meet in real life, or just even addressing or responding back to YouTube comments online. I have to be mindful that no matter who I talk to at any time, at any moment, I could possibly be talking to somebody who's experiencing the worst day of their life. I know how difficult this condition can be. I know how challenging the symptoms can feel. And I know the symptoms are not always physical, because sometimes my symptoms were really emotional, sometimes they were really mental. And sometimes those thoughts drove me into wanting to do some things that I probably would have regretted looking back at it until this day. Mental health is not something that we take lightly in the program. We actually take it very, very seriously. I want to provide you guys with this. It's okay to break down sometimes. It's okay to have really, really hard days. It's okay to fall apart when things get really rough sometimes. I understand. I know the whole purpose of this program is to keep telling you guys, keep the hope alive, respond well, you can do this, but you're human after all. And you can only respond well so much, but life comes at you fast. Sometimes things happen, sometimes things that are out of your control. And I know how heavy that can get sometimes. I've talked to thrivers who have lost loved ones during their recovery. I have talked to thrivers whose mental health was really, really challenging to the point where it's a little bit concerning. I've talked to thrivers who have gotten injured or had accidents during their recovery. Anything could happen. Life comes at you fast. I understand. It's not going to be a perfect road, but you're strong. It's okay to go through these things. Right? It's okay to persevere on, even though it can be really, really tough, and you don't have to go through this alone. That's why you have people like me cheering you on, even though I can't be there in your home, and I can at least talk to you through this screen on the internet. I always told myself, especially on the really dark days that I didn't want to keep going, Junior, just try to make it till tomorrow. Don't make a permanent decision off of temporary feelings that you're having now. Just try to make it till tomorrow. And I would tell myself that every single day when I didn't have a community around me, which obviously I wish I did, and I had a program like this. But in those moments where I felt really isolated and alone, that's what I would tell myself. Just one more day, Junior. Come on, you can do this, bud. Just make it until tomorrow. I know you can. Same thing for you. I know you can do this. I know how challenging it can be. Just give me one more day, right? Keep going. Keep the hope alive. Keep trying to get yourself out of this. And it doesn't matter which way works for you, whether you resonate with these videos or whether you resonate with another coach or another program even, or a different teaching. As long as it's getting you better, then move towards that, because everyone has their own journey and how they're going to get out of this. And not everybody is going to fully resonate with what we speak about here, okay? But keep going. Never give up. Never let that candle of hope burn out, because there are brighter days for you. You just can't see it yet. There are brighter days meant for you. But maybe in order to get through those things, you had to first persevere through these personal challenges first. And I know you've been going through so many days where it feels like you're not getting reward for all of your hard work and you're just continuing to persevere it. And it seems like I'm doing all of this, but for what? Trust me, I've had days like that too. I understand. There are better days on the other side. You just have to believe it and keep going, and please don't give up, okay? You got this. You guys are some of the strongest people I know. And for those of you who are in the program who are watching this video, you guys are some of the strongest people I've ever gotten the privilege to be able to talk to and have conversations to. So from me to you, heart to heart, I understand how challenging it can be. I was there in your shoes at one point. Keep hope alive. Keep faith alive. And when things get really, really overwhelming, you feel like you can't do it anymore, just tell yourself, just make it until tomorrow. One more day. I know you can do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this was a little bit of a different video, and that's okay too, right? We're not gonna have informative videos all the time, but just a little bit of a message, okay? We'll see you guys in the next one.
Let's say that CFS recovery is absolutely the real deal.
I actually felt like somebody had an answer, like somebody explained what was going on, and it all clicked.